The St. Catherine police have released the identity of the second victim in yesterday's deadly motor vehicle crash along the Edward Seaga Highway. She has been identified as 23-year-old Shade Mason of Waterford, Portmore, St. Catherine. The other victim is 33-year-old Ricardo Collins of Binns Road, Kingston 11. It's reported that about 7:45 a.m. on Saturday, Mr. Collins was driving a 2017 Honda Civic motor car along the highway. On reaching a section of the roadway near the Linstead Toll Plaza, the driver reportedly lost control of the vehicle, which slammed into a metal railing. The occupants sustained severe injuries and were taken to hospital, where they were pronounced dead. A total of 3 people were killed in motor vehicle crashes yesterday, pushing the road fatality to 372 as of December 27. 363 road deaths were recorded over the same period last year. A Canada-based charity is being praised this holiday season for bringing smiles to the faces of children and the elderly who were shut in on Christmas Day in Lichfield, Manchester. These persons were badly impacted by Hurricane Melissa. Now, while some elderly persons live where relief supplies can reach them easily, there are still those in remote areas off the beaten track in the parish who are not as easily accessible. 73-year-old Theophilus Bailey is one of those persons.
They start coast couple bad road, and after a while the breeze cannot stop on the rain and move out. Then we did frighten that part when he lick off the zinc them on the house. Me see the things that go on.
Mr. Bailey says he's grateful for the donations from the International Women Achievers Foundation. Princess Duce is the founder.
I have gotten donations for the community of Trelawney and some other local areas. But for this particular giving back to the children, giving them a Christmas, in light of the hurricane and stuff, I figure, you know, they would like an extra cheering up. And so I want to make this special. So even in Canada, I would do the gifts for Christmas, but this year I didn't. I decided this year I'm taking it all to Jamaica, thanks to all the donors in Canada and the donors here.